Bonus tip 3. Editing videos is an extremely time-consuming process, so a quick way to speed up that process is simply by creating a new project, and I'm going to go ahead and call this template and then create it. So here what I want to do is add in any video or audio files that I'm going to be using in every single one of my YouTube videos, for example. So if I use this clip in every single video, I'll drag it in here. And now instead of having to drag this video file into every single Premiere Pro project, I can just copy and paste to this project and it's already there and ready to go. The next thing you want to set up is you want to set up your export settings. Make sure you have these two settings selected and make sure down in video, like we talked about before, you go down to more, you have render at max depth, maximum render quality selected, and constant bitrate. So you don't have to worry about this every single time you're going to export a video. Just save this file, save it as a template, and then copy and paste that as many times as you need for all of your individual videos.
Watch the full video now, link on screen and in the description.